Welcome back to Eva cooking mud cake.
Hello, pig. So, what you want to do is get a bunch of soot, actually. This is a soot cake. If you have just had a fire and don't know what to do with the excess soot left in the fire. Step 1. Warm water. Pour in gently. Wait for it to drain and pour in again. Yummy. Appetizing already, and it's just the batter. I spilt it on my shoes. Don't really need much more water anyway, because all you're doing is mixing the soot. Mixing. Now I can't show you because I'm at a slanted. Wait, I can. See, it's watery. See, that's what you have to have for a soot cake. Now, what you want to do is just keep mixing. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mix like you're mixing a potion to kill babies. Mix like your meat from vine sauce. Yes. No, it's melting! Oh, it's grosses Bier. Oh, hab Bier. Oh, diarrhea sounds. Oh. Yes. Poopy. Don't fry. It's still good. Don't try. It is still good. You don't need much to still exist in the plane of existence. You keep mixing, you're mixing. Mixy yummy, mixy yum, mixy yummy, mixy yum. Now what you want to do is get a frying pan. Yes. Now, you want to get the e-bar cake and pour it. Ooh, ew, sloppy. Pour the excess e-bar into there. And mix the e-bar in the pan, in the pot right here. Now when you have the e-bar slush, you don't really need that much anymore, so you just kind of spill it over the side. Then, when you have a little bit of e-bar left, I still got some water in that. I don't know how to clean this. Now when you have a little bit of e-bar, just get rid of all this slag too. Get your pan and scoop up the slag. Ooh, ew, gross. Because you don't need any contaminants in your soot burger, your soot cake. Do ya? That's what I thought. And then you just gotta pour some more of that excess juice out until you have it's solid. Then you have to mix while it's solid. It flew everywhere. Then you have to pour the juices back in. A little bit of the juices, not all. And you're all free and good and happy. What you gotta do is just clean, mix around. Oh, mix it. Yummy, gloopy. Mixing. That sounds appetizing. That's the sound of an appetizing meal. Pour some of the juices back in, but not the slag. Pour the rest of the slop out. Cook this. It's spilling over the edge. Now, once it's got a consistency of about this, you're probably good to go and put it in the oven. But me, I like to have a watery mud cake in soot cake. They're different things. And what I like to do is stir it more. And see, when you stir it more, you get to see the impurities on the surface. And you get to scoop them up in one pile and just like toss them to the side. Because you want pure soot cake. And we'll keep mixing. Oh, it's starting to rain. Well, you don't really need much help when it's raining. Because there's soot cake. Now, when you're done with your soot cake, you then you clean out the pan and you pour the soot cake like diarrhea into it. Now, when you have the little sludge left remaining like this, oh, it's raining. Punch rain. 무다. Yeah. So, yeah, Jojo Siwa. It's hailing! God doesn't like my cooking.